Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into some of the most exciting and trendy products on the market. Today, we have something fantastic to talk about that I'm sure many parents will find incredibly useful for their fashion-forward kids. We're diving deep into the best kids' faux leather pants, specifically the Tulucky girls' stretchy faux leather leggings. These leggings are not just any regular pair. They're designed to combine both functionality and style, making them the perfect addition to your child's wardrobe. So, if you're looking for something that keeps them comfortable while making a bold fashion statement, you might have just found the best option. Let me tell you a little more about them. Made from a unique blend of polyester and spandex, these leggings are incredibly soft and stretchy, ensuring that your little ones can run, jump, and play without any restrictions. The pull-on design means they are easy to wear, a hassle-free experience for both parents and kids. What's more, with a high-rise fit, they offer not only a comfortable feel but also a flattering silhouette that is sure to boost every child's confidence. But what truly makes these leggings stand out is their versatility. Whether paired with a simple t-shirt for a casual day out, a stylish jacket for school, or even a chic trench coat for family gatherings, the possibilities are endless. Your child will be ready for various occasions, be it a birthday party, a day at school, or simply a playdate with friends. Now, addressing the practical side, let's talk about sizing. Tulucky offers a range of sizes targeting different age groups, from little girls aged 4 to 6 to those aged 9 to 14. Each size is tailored to fit comfortably, with detailed specs provided to help you make the right choice for your child's growing body. And when it comes to maintenance, these leggings are superbly convenient. They are machine washable, and you can easily hang them to dry without worrying about fading or shrinking. This resilience ensures that they will last, looking great wear after wear. So, whether you're adding to a wardrobe or searching for that perfect gift, the Tulucky girls' stretchy faux leather leggings could be just the thing your little fashionista needs. With a perfect blend of style, comfort, and practicality, these leggings are undoubtedly a great investment for your child's clothing collection. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you think these are the right leggings for your daughter or granddaughter, be sure to check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming product reviews. See you next time. Happy shopping!